Today I'm gonna make the mock carrot tuna. I got my seasoning from Yum Yum Delicious Cafe in Little Rock, made by Miss Melanie Lacey. And it's just a blend of herbs and spices to help you take this bowl of carrots to something that mimics very closely the taste of tuna. So what you do to prepare it is I juiced the carrot. Well, it was actually about 7 or 8 carrots, and I took the pulp from that carrot juice. The noise in the background is my son playing. I'm gonna save a little bit of the juice, about a shot glass worth. You may not even use that. I'm using pickles, red onions, and some pimentos, organic mustard, veganaise, and I'm gonna make wraps out of them out of this nicely beautiful rainbow chard. Awesome. Tastes so good. So anyway, let me start. You just take your shredded carrot, pretty much. You kind of go through there to see if maybe your juicer forgot a chunk or two, because mine can do that sometimes. And you can remove it or you can eat it or whatever. And once you've seen that there are no chunks, you just start adding your ingredients. I would recommend that you add the juice last. I'm actually forgetting an ingredient. Hang on a second. I'm going to also add a dash of liquid aminos. Okay. I don't want the stem, but I might save them for juicing. And I'm just going to put a little bit in there. Both of them. Put a little bit here. And a little bit there. And I can either eat it like a salad or I can wrap them up. And there you have it. Let's see. Tear a little bit more of that stem off because I don't want the thick part of it. I probably should show you this trick about the stems first. When you're doing like a green wrap with a chard or a collard green, take your knife and just kind of skim that off so that it'll roll better. I forgot to tell you that, but anyway, here we go. Woo, that's good. You're copying me. Let me try it. Oh, please. Okay, let's try this one. Right? Pretty good. Tastes like a salad. Right. Okay. That's it. Carrot tuna. Carrot mock tuna. No meat. Vegan. Healthy. Yummy. The kids like it. You can't beat it. More to come. Thank you. Bye.